Greetings everyone, this is Matt with Wrench with Matt. On today's episode I have a plethora of organizational goodies to install in my truck from Musology. They're a sister company of AAA Liners. I've been very happy with my AAA Liners bed mat and tailgate mat, and I'm looking forward to getting these installed. And I have a special little extra one at the end you don't see here, so be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to see what that is, because I'm especially excited about that one, even though it's pretty simple. So let's jump right in and get these installed. We're going to start here in the back with this cargo net. It's 2 layers, so it can hold your cargo and different items in place. There's some Velcro strips if you need some extra attachment or to secure things in place. The carabiners are to hold the 4 corners of the netting in place, and it comes with a tool to remove the bolts up top in the back of the truck that I will show you in just a moment. There's these 2 bolts right at the back of the bed. The one that's further forward is the one you remove. I've got the bed cover in place, but I've loosened up this back bracket so I can just pull this up and out of the way. This will fit with my bed cover, so that is not an issue. It's out. Now the eye hook goes in place where that bolt just came out. And interestingly, on both sides, once this was tight, it was level. So I'm good with that. The bottom just latches right into the D-ring. So we'll go around the little loop here and around the D-ring. Here it is installed. It's got a little pull tab to open it up. Nice solid bottom. All connected with the D-rings and the eye hooks that they had you install earlier. Looks good. I'll do a quick pan shot so you can get a little better idea of what we're looking at here. All right, here you can see how it's attached to the eye hook on this side. And then the D-ring. Getting your little pull tab. Moving to the interior, we've got these door handle inserts where you can put little small items in. I would probably urge some caution with how much stuff you put in there, because if you load it right up, it's going to be a little harder to grab the door handle, but it fits in there quite nicely. And honestly, if I didn't know it was there, I probably wouldn't even notice it. So that's pretty cool. Nice stealth install. Next up on the interior is this center console organizer. It has some really nice silicone mats that lay in there. And I think this change container is actually silicone as well. This actually sits right down on these 2 pins here to keep it from bouncing around when you're driving. That is actually my biggest complaint with the center console organizer I have right now, is that the change rattles around as you're driving. So I'm going to pull this one out, and you'll notice the new one's actually deeper. I'm pretty happy with that. So we'll pop this puppy in. Installed. It was easy as that. Starting with the front cup holders. I replaced the liner in this front cup holder simply because I wanted a little more protection. So this new one is very deep, protects the entire cup holder itself, just slides right down in here, nice silicone design. Bada bing, bada boom. For the rear cup holders, I also still have this extra little protection here, which I think is very nice because the factory does not come with a removable liner. But Musology has this much deeper one that just drops right in, made out of silicone. That looks really sharp. I'm happy with that. This next one gives you some protection in a place where, again, there's not a factory liner that you can pull out right in the slot here. So this just drops right in. Nice little silicone tray you can put in here. Catch any dirt and debris, and if it gets dirty, you just pull it out, rinse it off, wash it, whatever, good to go. This next item is a cargo tray that sits right over top of your radio. They give you some felt cushions to put on, and I just put them right here in this corner here to protect the top and side of the screen. And then this drops right over top of your screen. There you go. Keep your sunglasses, keys, whatever up in there. Looks good. Here you can see a couple pairs of sunglasses fit up there quite nicely. Here's the bonus item, this armrest cover with a truck logo embossed in it. This is super comfortable and really nice to lean your elbow on. And then again, this is removable, so you can take it off and clean it as it gets dirty without too much trouble at all. I'm really happy with it. Looks nice, fits the look of the truck. Overall, all these items that I've put in the truck today, I'm very happy with, and looking forward to seeing how they stand up over time. I'll have links in my description, and I'll also have discount codes for AAA Liners and Musology, so be sure to check out the description. Thank you for watching. Greatly appreciate you sticking it out to the end. and have a wonderful day.